Iza, may offers sa iyo ang kapuso at kapamilya, according to your manager. Tapos, tapos pero dito sa nakaraang Metro Manila Film Fest, Best Picture,
nahihiya naman ako sa mga...
Best Picture, second Best Picture,
Layuan mo si Noel! Noel!
kasama ka. Kaya mas naiengganyo ka bang gumawa ngayon ng pelikula? Like, ito nga, kumbaga, fresh na fresh sa Metro Manila Film Fest. Yung Best Picture, second Best Picture, nandun ka. At ngayon, eto February, meron ka uling bagong movie. Ayun, Dimples.
Dadapating kita, Tito Jerry. Ang desisyon ko pong magpelikula at magteatro ay talagang kaysa TV at this point. I really rooted on. Matagal po kasi kapag ka TV. It's a really long-term commitment. And sometimes you don't know how long the long term is. So at this point, because of Dea, who just turned 2 years old, unless you give me a very compelling project, hindi po pa ako makakabalik muna sa teleserye. Just at this point, because I really would like to give most of my time to Dea. Ngayon po, bakit teleserye? Ay, bakit films at saka theater kasi, I mean, except dun sa Tech Week at saka sa shows mismo, most of it, nakaka-uwi ako ng dinner time, bedtime. I may even get to do other things, but not really because mahalayo yung tirahan. Films because alam ko kung kailan matatapos. Like, I knew this was gonna be 8 days. For the cameos, I knew it was also all I could take on while doing a play. So, managed ko yung time. So, siguro po, in as much as I do miss teleserye, at saka pinaka-ano pala sa akin, yung may makakasalamuha ka, may mamimit ka mga tao, tapos sasabihin, kailan ka babalik? Meron pala tayong sense of, I've never felt that, na parang a sense of, almost like a sense of responsibility to entertain.
Kasi tumatatak yung mga ginagawa mong teleserye.
Thank you po. Hindi ko alam ko pong ganun, or is it thank you, or is it because also I've been doing it for a long time, so they're used to seeing me always on TV. I mean, my first lead was in 2004 in Te Amo. So parang, but when I think about it, parang I've also given a lot naman. Sa totoo po, my bank account wants me to. I always say that, di ba? Di ba? Yung teleserye, because again, mahaba. 3 times a week, at least. But, may panahon po para sa lahat. At iisa lang po ako. Hindi ko na po pwedeng hati-hatiin pa yung katawan ko the way I used to. And so, I'm very grateful for projects. And siguro if I do a cameo in a teleserye, that's fine. But I haven't done, there hasn't been an offer that was short enough. So, parang at this point, ito muna, and I'm very grateful na. Talaga namang ask and you shall receive. Yun pala talaga yun. So, thank you Lord for providing. Para nakakapagtrabaho pa rin ako. Nagagawa ko ang mga bagay na mahal ko, passionate about. And still to fulfill my first job, which is to be a mother.